Hello everyone and welcome to this fifth video in our series about content migration to Prismic. In the previous video, we created a few assets and learned how to reference them in our documents. In this one, we'll see how we can reference documents from other documents, that is to say, how to create content relationships. A content relationship is a link to another document. Those are pretty common in many content structures. In our case here, for example, we have our blog post document type, and on each of them we have a link to an author document. This is a content relationship. Another example, let's say if you have a menu custom type, like we do on Prismic websites here, each link present in the menu will be a content relationship to another document managed in Prismic. So let's see how we can define content relationships in migration documents. Getting back to our code, the shortest way to define a content relationship to another document is similarly to what we did with assets, just about providing the linked document as value. So let's just create an author document here. For example, we have the Alex author. And if we were to reference this document as the author of that blog post, we can just grab the Alex value and put it as our author. In the case where our author already exists within our Prismic repository, we can also query it and reference it as is. So let's query the Angelo author with a right client from our Prismic repository with get by UID. So we'll get an author and the one that's named Angelo. And from here, I can just grab Angelo value and reference it as the author of that blog post also. That works well. However, there will be some cases where you might not have access to the document you want to link to just yet. Let's say, for example, we're only able to create the Alex document after the blog post has been created. In that case, we cannot just reference Alex here because it doesn't exist already. This also often happens when you want to link from document A to document B and from document B to document A, when you have something recursive, basically. That's where lazy content relationships can help. In that case, instead of providing the value directly, we can provide a function that will resolve that value using migration.getByUID in our case. So we'll want to resolve an author, and this author is named Alex. And with that, we're able to resolve the Alex document just in time, even if it's created afterward in our migration object. An alternative method you can use is getSingle. This one is necessary when you want to query a singleton document type, but we don't have any in our example here, so we'll just brush it off. But let's say you have a settings document type, you can create like so, just like we create the Alex document. Awesome, so we now know how to work with content relationships inside our migration documents. Alongside with assets, we often encounter those type of fields within our content structures. But one place where we might also face them is inside rich text content. That's why in the next video, we'll focus on Prismic rich text format, how to convert your existing text content to it, and how you can handle assets and content relationships inside them.